Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naufal bin Muhammad Lafti, metric number 1911889, partnering with Muhammad Nazri bin Rosili 1917415. We are from section 4, group 3. We are going to present CNC machining. What is CNC? CNC is computer numerical control. CNC is a computer controller that reads instructions based on certain types of coding. There are two types of coding, which is G codes and M codes. The G codes is functioning as control the movement of a machine, detecting how and where a machine should move to fabricate a part, while M codes functioning as controlling miscellaneous machine functions, including starting and stopping specific actions or programs. There are three statements which is important in program format, which is definition, machining, and closing. Next, this is the definition statements based on the given machining parameters. Our program name is O2020. The second block code shows that the safety condition that puts the machine into default. Next is M06 is the tool change of slot number 2 for TO2. S2000 F500 is our spindle speed in 2000 RPM and 500 RPM. MO3 shows our spindle rotation while coolant is on for M08. Next, G90, G54 and G54 shows that we are using absolute coordinate for map positioning at X equals to 0 and Y equals to 0. While G43, Z50 is the tool length compensation. The last block of definition statement is the Z3 is the positioning tool in the depth of 3.
We will be moving on to machining statement. Machining statement is the main program of main coding for our CNC mining program. In this programming, we have G code, coordinate, and radius. So we will be moving on to the first coordinate. The first block is the origin 1. We will use G01 and 0x0 y0. And for the second block, we will have for number 2. It is in linear, so G01, and the x is 85, while y is 0 because it is not moving upward or downward. And for block 3, it is number 3. So since it's moving anti-clockwise, so it's G03, and the radius is 10. For block 4, it's G01, moving upwards, so there's a move left or right, so x is still the same, y is 25. For block 5, it is G01 and x is 25, y is 7, y is 25. And for block 6, we have clockwise rotation. For the code is G02 and x is 95 and y is 335 and the radius is 10. For block 7, we'll have a linear 1, G01, x 95 and y 40. And moving on to the block 8, we will have clockwise rotation. We have G02, x 75 and y 550, and it's all the same for the remaining pass until it's reached the origin. Moving on, for the closing statement, we will have a G01 and Z1, Z100. This simply moving upward for the cutting. And the middle statement is M05 and M90, M09. It is simply meaning that the cutter and the cooling is shut down, and M30 is machine shutdown. That's all.